Hi, I'm Tami. Today I'm going to make my version of a classic Paloma. So for this drink, you only need 3 ingredients. Tequila, triple sec, and some grapefruit soda, which I'm using Squirt. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some tequila. And I like this cenote, it's an añejo. You can use a blanco or you can use a reposado, it's up to you, but I just happen to really like this tequila. Don't really need one quite this good for a mixer, but I like it anyway. So I put in about an ounce of that. Then we're going to do the same thing with the triple sec. And in a regular Paloma, they use lime juice. They don't use triple sec. So that's why I said my version. And then I top it off with this Squirt soda. Let's go up a little bit more. You don't need to shake this because there's soda, so you just want to stir it. And then I like to garnish it with a couple of little orange slices. Put those in there so it looks pretty. And then I have some basil that we're growing, so put that in there as well, just because it looks pretty and it's got some nice fragrance to it. So get that in there. All right. And now I get to taste it. Excited about. Oh, it's delicious. This drink is super refreshing. You can definitely taste the tequila, but it's not overpowering. If you like tequila, you'll definitely like this drink. If you don't like tequila, you'll still like the drink because it's not overpowering. So, hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you subscribe.